If you are planning to make your girlfriend's birthday special, then you must surely be looking for a worthy gift that will make her birthday amazing. But due to having less time and thousands of options, you're more likely to get confused. But don't worry, experts at socialtomatoes.com have listed the best gifts for your queen, keeping in mind that you intend to please her with something special beyond her expectations. So, here you will find the best information about the special and most suitable gifts that she'll love as per the trends and fashion of the year. 1. A bracelet with impressive white Swarovski crystals may prove to be the best gift for her. 2. A smart Wi-Fi aroma diffuser with special speakers which are connected to your smartphone. This is a very unique item, making her environment sweet, melodious, and scented. 3. If she loves the kitchen and its trendy appliances, what else is better than a Ferrari pizza oven which bakes your pizza in just 4 minutes and also works as a food warmer? 4. You may also select a facial cleansing brush, a Bluetooth headset, an instant camera, or a pair of sunglasses. If you need more details, click on the link below and get more amazing ideas for her special day. Don't forget to subscribe at socialtomatoes.com to get expert reviews on health and technology.